Hi, this is Dennis. In this presentation, I want to show you a new feature UTF-8 and before charset and its collations. Currently, MemSQL offers a variable width character encodec UTF-8 using 1 to 3 1-byte code units. Basically, UTF-8 and before is 4 bytes Unicode. But why we need full Unicode inside the database? The whole world is moving towards Unicode as digital devices are used by more and more people across all cultures all around the globe. And for world domination, you want to be able to process data all around the globe. Unicode is good because you may use one character set for all your data. As we can see in examples, it can be used even for some specific historical scientific researchers, because UTF-8 and before contains even very esoteric writing systems. Also, it covers a lot of different symbols and emojis. The main goal is to cover as many specific needs with this change, storing comments, papers, books, everything using one approach. To go further, we need to have some theory. To enable customers using this feature, we want to have three main definitions. Character set, which contains binary representation of characters named code points. Collation, which contains rule for the case, accents, and some specific comparison rules. So, we will have UTF-8 and before character set and some collations based on Unicode 13. In MemSQL, a collation is a set of rules for a given character, which defines the order and effects. Order by, like, primary keys, indexes, unique constraints, comparison operators, some string and JSON functions. But instead of a lot of words, let's start a demo and see what's new. At first, let's check character set and collation. As we can see, we have UTF-8 and before as character set now, and a lot of new collations. Then we need to create a table with a varchar column and UTF-8 and before collection. Let's use UTF-8 and before Unicode CI for this. For example, let's just insert some specific symbols to it, and let's see. Whoa. And now we can see some emojis, Egyptian hieroglyphs, and other special symbols in our table. But that's not fun just to insert values. Let's create pipeline and load some data from S3. And let's test the pipeline. Yeah, terminal display flags in very specific way, but that's not we care about, and we can see some other symbols here. And we can store and see 4-byte Unicode characters in our string types as varchar, text, char, so on. Okay, then let's imagine that we have some table with names with our default collation. It is UTF-8 general CI. So let's see this table. And what's inside there? So, and we can store different names using 3 bytes Unicode there. But one day somebody decides to have a name bold delta face with monocle, like this. When we try to insert it and then check, then we understood that name is invalid because it contains 4 bytes Unicode symbols. But it's not a problem with UTF-8 and before. Let's modify our table and try again. So and now we can see happy person with name bold delta face with monocle. That's it for demo.